In this video, I will show you how to sell cryptocurrency on the Revolut X app. When you open the app, you'll start on the home page. From here, go to the Trade tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to type the name, for example, Solana, and then choose the currency you want to sell it for, such as dollars. On the coins page, tap the sell button and enter the amount you want to sell. You can either type in the exact amount or select 100% to sell all of it. Once you've set the amount, review your order where you'll see the current price, the amount you're selling, and note that Revolut X charges zero exchange fees. Finally, tap confirm to place your sell order. You can check the order book to see active buy and sell orders, and then return to your home page to confirm that your balance has been updated. That's how you can sell any cryptocurrency on the Revolut X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.